and God really said, oh, you need content? Bet.
I want my name to be a household product.
Okay, y'all, so rough morning, and I'm at AutoZone because my car battery is dead, and I needed the help of my neighbor to, like, thank you so much for her because she jump started my car. And I was just like, it's Monday, I don't need this right now. And now I need to see if it's the battery. I'm gonna turn off the car. Okay, the car is off. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Regardless, I'm gonna get a new battery because it's already been 4 years. So let me see. Yeah, it doesn't start. It doesn't start. Why me? Good thing I'm at AutoZone, because if I would have done this at work, I also guys, why? You know what? It happens. I'm at AutoZone. It's a blessing that somebody even jump started my car and helped me, because there's not a lot of good people or people that are willing to help, and I just think that I could find somebody. And now I'm at AutoZone where my car doesn't work and I just need a new battery. So let's go ahead and get a new battery. Okay, y'all, it is my battery. He just checked it. He didn't even have to check it. He's like, yeah, let's go get you a new one. So I just gotta get my wallet and freaking pay for this hoe. Okay, y'all, we fixed it. Well, not me, but them fixed it. I'm going to work, and I offered the guy, I didn't have any cash. I need to start carrying cash, but I offered the guy some tip money, and he didn't. I said, oh, I don't have any money, but I can get you some food. Target is right there. Publix is over there. I can get you some food. He's like, no, don't worry about it next time. I'm like, okay, bet. So now I'm off to work, and I will see you guys a little later. Oh my God. So as he was changing the thing, he was like, oh, can you hand me that nut, that thing? I'm like, what? The nut. I'm like, I don't know what it is. Can you just help me out? I'm stressed as it is. I'm stressed as it is. Can you just tell me? Can you just point and look? Just tell me what it is. Oh my goodness. But it's all fixed. Okay, y'all, we are at the office, and I was just thinking, I just wanted to come on here real quick because I was thinking, I'm like, oh damn, what kind of content am I gonna shoot this week? I don't have anything planned, blah blah. And God really said, oh, you need content? Bet. F's up my car, the battery. And I was just like, you know what? I'll take it. God works in mysterious ways. Sometimes when you ask for something, it ain't always what you expect, all right? But I'm just saying, I dealt with that, which also reminds me, I have to set aside a savings fund for car problems only. So this also brought a new light to that, so I just gotta do that. I don't know. I already have 9 missed calls. I will see you guys a little later. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. This time for real though. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know I did the intro a little later, but I am on a mission to renew my passport, basically. Which one is that? So I'm trying to renew my passport, and I'm at the post office, and I'm like, oh, I wonder how much it's gonna cost, blah blah blah. How do I have to pay this, that, and the other? Like, I live like in the 21st century. Like, my mind is set in the 21st century. Like, and I act like cash doesn't exist. I'm like, bitch, I could just give them cash. I'm over here like waiting in line to see how much it's gonna cost. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull money out like from the ATM, and then whatever they say, I'm just gonna give it to them. So now I gotta go to Walgreens to take my photo. So that's what we're doing today. I think they accept walk-ins. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but it's like Walgreens. I'm sure it's gonna take like relatively quick. Also, I'm recovering from COVID, so if my voice sounds a little raspy, it's because I'm like, you know, like at the end of it, you know. Boy, I'm tired. Okay, guys, let's go. I'm gonna go get some Starbucks, probably get some tea. Okay, guys, I just talked to the lady. Apparently they just started their system, so it's gonna take about an hour to upload, I guess. I don't know, that's what they told me. So I gotta come back in an hour. I got my tea from Starbucks. So, but I'm trying to get this passport out of the, oh no, it's real. Do I got any wipes? Anyways, so I'm gonna come back. I'm trying to get this passport thing done and out of, because I'm leaving soon, relatively soon. But I'm trying to get it out of the way, get that passport in, and yeah. So I gotta do that, and then I'm probably gonna have to do all this. I'm coming back today to get the picture taken, but I think I have to do everything on Saturday. But whatever, I want to get it done. I'm gonna get it done this week, so I will catch you guys a little later. Bye. All right, y'all, I'm back home. I took my photo. Look at this photo. This looks like this is my mugshot. Like I look like I traffic drugs. Like, and my eyebrows aren't done. Like, it is what it is. I'm just trying to get a passport. I don't really care like how the photos are gonna come out. Like, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. And now I just gotta fill out the paperwork because I kind of messed up on the one that I had originally. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that out, and I'm gonna try to do this. Well, y'all know I'm trying to do this week because I'm trying to get this out of the way and scratch it off my to-do list, right? Passport, resume. That's what I got on my to-do list. So I gotta finish that today. But all right, guys, I'm gonna try and save my voice, and I will see you guys tomorrow, probably. Yeah, tomorrow. Bye. Okay, y'all. It is the next day. I'm at the post office. I finally got all the paperwork done for my passport. And I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it off, and I gotta go because I don't want the line to be. This passport, this post office, I don't know why, but it tends to like freaking fill up so fast. So let me go ahead and do that right quick, and then we are gonna come back because I got a fun build. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be fun, but it's just a lot going on today. Okay, y'all, everything is turned in, and they said it's gonna take like 10 to 13 weeks, which is perfect because that's when I'm trying to like go on this trip that I have planned. But now I'm gonna probably go to Dunkin' or go to a Starbucks or something because I have my appointment with my brow tech at 12. And look at these, look how I look like a werewolf. It's awful. But yeah, guys, y'all, look, they look so much better now. Where did I park? Over here. But look, y'all, okay, so I'm gonna run home because I gotta use the restroom, and then we're going to the Halloween spirit store. Okay guys, slight detour. I called the flower shop and they said my flowers are ready, so I'm just pulling up in and we're gonna go inside and get these mother effing flowers. Okay y'all, I'm back home. I made it to the bathroom and look, I picked up the flowers. Look how pretty these are. And they smell so good. Ooh, y'all, it's slipping, sliding. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I feel like I'm trying to do it. Maybe I should do it now. I think I'm gonna do it now and just set everything up and then see how I feel about it. And then from that, I'm gonna go to the Halloween store and get me my little costume, see what I find. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like simple vampire vibes, like from dusk till dawn, you know, the vibes. And just call it a day, because I don't really feel like dressing up this year. But yeah, let's go ahead and start doing my little ofrenda for Max, and then we're gonna go to the Halloween store after.
Look, Dia de los Muertos is the one night of the year our ancestors can come visit us. We've put their photos on the ofrenda so their spirits can cross over. That is very important. If we don't put them up, they can't come. We made all this food, set out the things they loved in life, mijo. All this work to bring the family together.
Whew. Okay guys, I finished the ofrenda. I think it came out so nice. I'm gonna flip it around and show y'all. I did a little short for this, so it's gonna come out probably November 1st, Day of the Dead. So I'm gonna do that one, or send it out early probably. Maybe I'll do it earlier. But I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can look at it. Look how cute. Oh, I did this. My friend gave to me, and then I bought these roses. So I just put those in there. And then I told you I got the candles for him, and then these little Day of the Dead dogs, the skeletons, and then the colors of the flowers are orange and yellow. I don't know why those are the colors, but that's what they are. And then I put these oranges because we used to eat cuties all the time. And then this is salt. You usually put out salt for like to ward off like any bad spirits. But yeah guys, and then I did the little I don't know what this is called. This. I did that. And then, but yeah guys, look, it came out so nice. I love it. But yeah, so now I gotta go to the Halloween store and get ready, try to find a costume for tonight. Okay, y'all, I could not film. Well, it's not that I couldn't film, it's that I didn't want to film at the Halloween store. It was so packed. Everybody and their mama was there. And I'm just like, it is too chaotic. And I was like, you know what? Let me just go in and out because it was just a lot. A lot was going on. The line was like wrapped around the store, bitch. I was just like, you know what? Let me just get what I need to get. And I'm not going to be a vampire. I'm going to be like sort of like a dark angel-esque death vibe. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and I'll see you guys a little later.